Hi everyone, Brad with Engadget here, and we have the Samsung Galaxy Mega here. We're going to be playing around with this for a little bit, so that way we have the opportunity to give you a nice little review. But before that happens, we at least want to do an unboxing so you can see what's inside the box, and just give some brief impressions on exactly how large this thing is, how it compares with some of the other big phones out there these days. Now, just to give you an idea of the outside of the box, you got some specs. It's an 8 gig version. There's also a 16 gig out there. Now, of course, this is a 6.3 inch device, so it definitely earns its name for Mega. That thing apparently was not very sticky. So here we go. Yeah, it's pretty sizable. It's still not horrible. Like, I can actually handle it with one hand, but I would feel more comfortable holding it with two hands. Of course, we're still going to give it a fair shot with the review, so we'll play around with it, use it as our daily driver for a while, and just make sure. Just to give you a brief tour of the phone, it's actually very similar to the Galaxy S4 in terms of overall style and look. It's just a lot bigger. 8 megapixel camera on the top, LED flash. This color still has the same kind of checkerboard. Not sure you can see that. If not, we'll get some better pictures. But yeah, it has the same kind of checkerboard look to it. Speaker grill on the bottom. Right hand side, we have the power button. On the top, the 3.5mm headphone jack, the noise cancelling mic, and infrared. On the left hand side, we have the volume rocker, and on the bottom is the micro USB charging port. Now, of course, underneath the battery cover, you'll find the micro SD and micro SIM ports. 3200 milliamp hour battery on this sucker, so it's going to be nice. It's going to be large. All right, so that's the Mega. Really quickly, we're going to compare it with the Galaxy Note 2. This is a 5.5 inch device. Quite a bit taller and just a little bit wider. And just for kicks and giggles, we're going to throw in the Galaxy S4 here. This is a 5 inch display. Just so you can see exactly the size comparison that we're looking at here. Inside the box, it looks like you have a little bit more than your typical phone box. Of course, you have the plug. Up here's the USB cable. This part is a little bit different, where you've got the SD card, and this is actually an adapter. Sorry, a full SD adapter with the micro SD 4 gigabyte card. Earbuds to go along with the headphones, and of course the 3200 milliamp hour battery inside there. It's a 720p display, Snapdragon 400, dual core 1.7 gigahertz device. Once again, this is Brad with Engadget, unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Mega. Thanks for watching.